with Enigma Fishing Pro Staff. Today we are checking out the Packmasters series from Enigma. Along is the Pesca spinning reel. There are several models to choose from in the rods, both bait casting and spinning. As you can see, this comes with a protected case that fits right over, and as you can see, it conveniently sits in the rod storage or any storage boxes you may have on your vehicle. Back seat, you don't have to worry about it sitting in the back getting damaged. You can conveniently stop as you're going down the road and check out all those places you've been wanting to check out when you're going by. Straighten these out here. We have a 6.5 foot medium light action rod. Has the E-grips, this 24-ton Tory graphite blend. It has the floating stainless steel eye guides. As you can see, they will move and you simply just cinch them down. And to go along with this, today we are going the Pesca 3000 spinning reel, the combo. Spins right back, slide her right up in there. Get her situated, and you're good to go. Now, convenience of this is you can leave your rod and reel together just by easily giving a little push or a twist. You are now conveniently packed right down. You can easily put it, store it right in. Now when you're going on those little trips here and there, and on your way back from somewhere or on your way to, and you want to check out those little creeks, little ponds, and see what's in there, something that you can always carry inside your vehicle, whether if it's in the trunk of your car, in a side storage area, under the seat, where it's conveniently out of the way and you don't have to worry about it being damaged.